All right, let's work on problem number 9 here. Find the value of the variables, round to the nearest tenth, or leave the answer in radical form. This is a 30-degree angle. This is a 90-degree angle, which means this would have to be a 60-degree angle. So this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, which means we can use our shortcut, right? Next thing I want to do is identify the parts I'm looking at here. This 4 is the short leg. This Y is the long leg. I know, nice technical names. I know that these are both legs because the right angle points to the hypotenuse over here. So I knew this was the hypotenuse, and so I knew that neither one of these could be the hypotenuse because that's the hypotenuse. And then the legs, you can tell the difference because the short leg is shorter than the long leg, right? Okay, so now if I want to find the hypotenuse, I gave you this little setup. I said the hypotenuse is equal to the short leg times 2. So since the short leg is 4, the hypotenuse would be 4 times 2, which is 8. No work to show for this one. It's just getting this answer right. That's why it's only a point. It's a shortcut. You're supposed to know that's what you're supposed to do. Short leg and long leg. If you're trying to find the long leg, it was the short leg times the square root of 3. And you can leave this in radical form. That's the square root symbol as a radical. So I can do 4 times the square root of 3, and I could just write it that way. 4 times the square root of 3. You don't have to change it to a decimal. You don't have to plug it into your calculator. You can leave it just like that. And that is the answer to number 9 on this imposter test. Hopefully this is helping you prepare for this actual test by working these out and then checking your answers with these videos. Let me know if you have any questions.